Now we will get into Springback Solver and Morphing. Springback Prediction uses the starting nominal and generates a Springback correction. The Springback correction can be based off of material of the metal and being used as well where the part is being held. Within VISI, there are morphing tools that allow users to compensate the original surface data geometry using FEA Springback predictions. This produces an accurate overcompensated surface to assist in the tooling development. So let's just go over a quick video showcasing Springback compensation. In this video, we're also going to be showing VISI blank. So here's just a part that we're going to go ahead and unfold. We'll create our Springback compensation off of, and we'll go in and just basically start the prediction to form the part accurately. So we're going to start off by creating our initial blank. So we'll go into VISI blank and we'll go ahead and select the part. When we select the part, we will then also choose materials as well as any faces that we will be holding. So with this, we're going to choose from a robust amount of materials that you can select from. These tools can be used within the edit materials, and you can add tools in add materials in as needed. Now we're going to choose a holding face. So we'll choose this top face right here, and we'll select that holding face, and then we're going to generate a blank off of that. After we generate this blank, we will then generate the Springback prediction from that blank. This is going to be what we're going to use to do your predictions and be able to generate a part for the Springback compensation. So we're selecting the initial Springback here, and you'll see that there's going to be a few different meshes that are created in the background. The green mesh is your Springback mesh. The blue mesh is your nominal mesh. These can be compared on the fly using commands like query to be able to measure between the two parts and see what the exact differences are. This Springback compensation can be referenced based off of the material, and they can vary based off of material. So as you can see, we do a point to point, and you can see your different points, and you can see exact distances between those areas. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to show our safety zones and animate the part. So this will show you as the initial blank to see what areas are relatively safe, where you could find some wrinkle tendencies and even splits for the part. So you can see all this information, and you can see where you could find that initial information. Along with safety zones, we can also animate the part. So you can animate this as an entire form. So if I go ahead and hit play, you can see the simulation of that blank when we're forming the part overall. Additional to the animation safety zones, we also have the forming limits diagram. This will display a diagram right on the screen showing you the progression and where you could have any kind of split tendencies, safe tendencies, any wrinkling as it's going through the entire progression.